Hello, Assalamualaikum. I am Hero and you are Maudian and you are watching Code with Hero YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started. Welcome to Code with Hero YouTube channel presented by Hero to my audience. Code with Hero. My introduction. My name is Hero. My real name is Bashir. I am a student. I have learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, jQuery, C#, C++, Java and Python. I use VS Code, Visual Studio Code editor to write my code. Top code editors are Notepad, Notepad++, Adobe XD, Sublime Text and Atom. But my favorite is VS Code. Today's topic is short but interesting. Today we are going to discuss the differences and similarities of HTML and HTML5. Watch the video till the end. What is HTML and HTML5? HTML is an old version. HTML or HTML4 has not much features. But if we figure out HTML5, it is easier than HTML or HTML4. HTML5 contains newer tech. By using HTML5, website development are easy. Difference in HTML and HTML5. HTML is referred to as the primary language of the World Wide Web. HTML has many updates over time, and the latest HTML version is HTML5. There are some differences between the two versions. HTML5 supports both audio and video, while none of them are part of HTML. HTML cannot allow JavaScript to run within the web browser, while HTML5 provides full support for running JavaScript. In HTML5, inline math, ML, and SVG can be used in a text, while in HTML it is not possible. HTML5 supports new types of form controls such as date and time, email, number, category, title, URL, search, etc. Many elements have been introduced in HTML5. Some of the most important are time, audio, description, embed, text, shape, footer, article, canvas, navy, output, section, source, track, video, etc. Difference in HTML and HTML5. Difference between HTML and HTML5. Definition of HTML. A hypertext markup language. HTML is the primary language for developing web pages. Definition of HTML5. HTML5 is a new version of HTML with new functionalities with markup language with internet technologies. Multimedia support in HTML. Language in HTML does not have support for video and audio. Multimedia support in HTML5. HTML5 supports both video and audio. Storage in HTML. The HTML browser uses cache memory as temporary storage. Storage in HTML5. HTML5 has a storage option like application cache, SQL database and web storage. Browser compatibility in HTML. HTML is compatible with almost all browsers because it has been present from a long time and the browser made modification to support all the features. Browser compatibility in HTML5. In HTML5 we have many new tags, elements and some tags that have been removed and modified, so only some browsers are fully compatible with HTML5. Graphics support. In HTML, vector graphics are possible with tools like Silverlight and Adobe Flash. Graphics support in HTML5. In HTML5, vector graphics are supported by default. Threading in HTML. In HTML, the browser interface and JavaScript running in the same thread. Threading in HTML5. The HTML5 has a JavaScript web worker API which allows the browser interface to run in multiple threads. Storage in HTML. Use cookies to store data. Storage in HTML5. Use local storage instead of cookies. Vector and graphics in HTML. Vector graphics are possible with the help of technologies like VML, Silverlight, Flash, etc. Vector and graphics in HTML5. Vector graphics is an integral part of HTML5, SVG and canvas. Shapes in HTML. It is not possible to create shapes like circle, rectangles and triangles. Shapes in HTML5. We can draw shapes like circle, rectangle, triangles in HTML5. Doc type in HTML. Doc type declaration in HTML is too long. Doc type in HTML5. The doc type declaration in HTML5 is very simple. Character encoding in HTML. Character encoding in HTML is too long. Character encoding in HTML5. Character encoding declaration in simple is very simple. Multimedia support in HTML. Audio and video are not the part of HTML4. Multimedia support in HTML5. Audio and video are the essential part of HTML5. Vector graphics in HTML. In HTML4, vector graphics are possible with the help of technologies like VML, Silverlight and Flash. Vector graphics in HTML5. Vector graphics are an integral part of HTML, SVG and canvas. Shapes. It is not possible to draw shapes like rectangles, triangles in HTML. Shapes in HTML5. Using HTML5, you can draw shapes like circle, rectangles and triangles. Browser support in HTML. Work with all older browser. Browser support in HTML5. A new browser supports this. Thank you for coming, friend. Meet you in the next video with a brand new topic and new content. Till then, you practice to code and enjoy. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Allah.